In the dynamic world of NNPC's oil and gas industry, the downstream sector of NNPC Limited emerged as a powerhouse in 2023. The directorate overseeing trading, shipping, refining, and retail witnessed extraordinary achievements. From concluding crude oil swap arrangements to achieving mechanical completion of the Port Harcourt Refinery, NNPC Limited's downstream sector marked 2023 with triumphs. Following the consolidation process mandated by the Petroleum Industry Act, 4 commercial entities merged into one powerhouse. In 2023, a customer-centric approach propelled NNPC Trading Limited into international markets, with offices now established in London and Dubai, expanding its reach into the Middle East and European territories.
We can now see visibility on our operations. There's clear visibility, and then it has streamlined all the operational processes, leading to operational efficiency. So that's one important impact. And then the other important is clearly that we have now all consolidated the profit. That leads us to see that our profit growth is very, very huge, because now we are seeing it in one company. So, and I'm glad to mention that we're able to achieve 110% of our targeted profit.
A major breakthrough unfolded with the mechanical completion of the Port Harcourt Refinery. As operations gradually pick up, efforts are underway to ensure that the new Port Harcourt Refinery, Kaduna and Warri refineries follow suit.
The rehabilitation is so structured. It is based on very firm foundation that we knew from the beginning that it will deliver. We started this process with setting up a governance process to ensure the rehabilitation process is a success.
Ahead of full operations, NNPC Limited has put in place a 150 million litre fully automated storage capacity at Atlas Cove. NNPC Limited also inked build, operate and transfer agreements for the rehabilitation of pipelines and storage facilities across Nigeria. Powering its way through, NNPC Limited's retail arm, with the largest network in Nigeria, distributed over 14 billion litres of white products in 2023. Its 900 retail outlets played a pivotal role in achieving this feat.
There's that beautiful expression, what a difference a year makes. And I think that is actually a good sum up for NNPC Retail. Because of course it's the first full year that both NNPC Retail and OVH came together. We got 64 new dealers, 64 new sites that we added to our network. We completely rebranded the complete network, including debranding some of the sites that didn't fit into the network anymore. Because a network is not a consistent element. You get new sites in and some sites you let go because they don't fit anymore. We started a great promotion with Interswitch called the Verve promotion, where people can earn up to 10,000 naira of fuel. They can earn their utility bills by just filling up with us. We launched the retail app together with Fidelity Bank, and we now rolled it out in Abuja, Kano, Port Harcourt and Lagos, where people can prepay for their fuel and then go to the site with the QR code and fill up. We've launched a Retail Academy, which is a complete online system to train all our dealers in actually how to operate the site, both from a customer point of view, but also from an operational point of view. So these are just a couple of the things that we've done and achieved in that first year of being together.
To expand its operations, NNPC Retail has rebranded its aviation services. With the birth of NNPC Aviation, the company will be supplying fuel to various airlines, including British Airways, Qatar, and Air Morocco, with more partnerships in the horizon. From lubricants to cooking gas, NNPC Retail is poised to launch an array of commercial products in 2024. Beyond the numbers, NNPC's downstream business remains deeply committed to its customers, retaining its reputation as a trustworthy brand by prioritizing quality and quantity in every transaction. Infrastructure initiatives are also underway to secure gas supply in the Nigerian market.
When NNPC talks about touching the lives of Nigerians, it all begins with us. The downstream business is where the rubber meets the road. From trading to refining, shipping, storage and distribution, to retailing, where the gas is pumped into your cars, generators, or wherever you need them. So from the very beginning to the end, the downstream business is at the center of it all.
A major achievement in NNPC Limited's downstream in 2023 was the elimination of the perennial fuel queues during the Yuletide. This was achieved through the objective application of consequence management to reduce cross-border leakage, proactive stakeholder engagement at all levels, strict oversight of PMS truckouts to avoid stockpiling by marketers, the effective collaboration with the downstream regulator, and the detailed planning and excellent execution of product supply and distribution strategy.